Alright, hey guys, this is the channel running Minecraft stuff and more, back with another ceiling fan video. This is a Monte Carlo Designer Supreme. Yep, you heard me, Monte Carlo. This ceiling fan, I believe, is in some kind of greystone finish. Obviously, yeah, it's or it's a pewter. I can't really remember for sure, but yeah, I got this at my local restore for $30. I think it pretty much came with everything, but I know it was missing some screws to hold the glass. The glass is not shown right here, but yeah, I will go ahead and give you a demonstration of this. Starting with the light, I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to put this on low floor. Yeah, low speed is a bit too fast for me. Probably goes 15 to 20 RPMs more than the Casablanca Artisan that's in this living room. The Casablanca Artisan goes around 40 RPMs on low speed. As you can see right here. The Artisan is right here in my living room. So, this one goes 40 RPMs. This one goes about 55 to 60 RPMs, I want to say. But yeah, how can you hear on the blades? That's my cable. Alright, I will put it up to Mia. And I believe on medium it goes around 130 120 to 130 RPMs. Let's see. Alright. Trying to feel the airflow. The airflow on medium is decent. Also, this model was sold as a Seagull Line Celebrity Deluxe. Alright, here's high. Just gonna walk. This wobble a lot when it's on this box. Whoa. Yeah, I think it does. I just had to turn it off because I don't want to fall right out of the box. Alright. Whatever. Yeah, but this thing does go fast. I plan on putting this in the master bedroom of my house to replace the Hunter Claymore. And yeah, nice looking fan overall. It's my first Monte Carlo, I believe. Yeah, I believe it's my first. It's Monte Carlo / Seagull Line is what I like to call it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video of my Monte Carlo Designer Supreme, and thanks for watching. channel for the Minecraft stuff and more. Out.